Let me guess. Every time you dress your baby, there's a family debate. The grandma says, put 2 sweaters. Beta, baahar thand hai. Thand lag jayegi. Dad says, 1 layer is fine. He looks like he's sweating already. And you are standing here holding a jabala in one hand and an onzi in the other hand. Looks like $1 million decision, doesn't it? Relax. Dressing a baby is not rocket science. In fact, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your little one comfy, whether it's 40 degrees centigrade outside or foggy winter at 10 degrees centigrade. In summer and winter, without losing your mind, why dressing matters. Here's the science bit. Don't worry, I won't bore you. I'll keep it light. Babies can't regulate temperature properly for the first few months. If you use too many layers, your baby actually overheats. That leads to dehydration, rashes, and with the increased risk of sudden infant death syndrome. On the reverse, very few layers, the baby gets too cold, poor feeding, lethargy, more infections. Babies lose most of their heat from their head, hands and feet, not just their chest. Dressing should be smart layering, not stuffing them like a aloo or gobi parantha. Fabrics matter. Cotton and muslin are breathable superheroes. Wool and synthetics can be helpful, but only if used wisely. The golden rule is +1 layer rule. Your baby needs 1 more layer than you're wearing. Not 5, not 10. Room temperature decides the clothing more than just the calendar. For example, Delhi winters versus Kerala winters. Very different, aren't they? The bottom line is comfort plus safety plus balance. Now, let's understand summer dressing. Summer means light, breathable, airy, thin cotton and muslin. Use sleeveless or half sleeves. A thin vest or jabala plus a diaper is enough. When outdoors, always use something to shade your child from direct sunlight. Keep swaddles thin and airy. Muslin works the best. Hydration is key. Exclusive breastfeeding is all your baby needs. In AC rooms around 25 to 26 degrees centigrade, a short sleeve onesie is perfect. Socks and caps only if the AC is chilly. Room temperature sweet spots are anywhere between 25 to 28 degrees centigrade. Keep the diaper area dry. Summer plus humidity leads to a diaper rash. A sunscreen only after 6 months. But before that, shade is their sunscreen. The don'ts. Don't overdress thinking more clothes is more protection. Don't wrap your baby in heavy blankets when the AC is on. A thin muslin is plentiful. Don't expose your baby to direct sunlight. They are babies, not solar panels. Don't use synthetic, tight or dark fabrics. Now, jabala versus onesie in summer. A jabala is a loose cotton top. The pros are it is airy, prevents feet rash, easy with the umbilical cord stump and super India culture friendly. The cons, it rides up the tummy or the back and then it exposes that part and the diaper peeps out. It's best for home during peak summer and hot and humid climate more than 28 degrees centigrade indoor. The onesie is the cotton bodysuit that we all buy. It has a lot of pros. It covers your tummy and back, stays in place with a snap button. It's great for sleep and is available easily as sleeveless or half sleeve. The cons, a little warmer, not ideal for healing cord stuff unless it's loose. But it's best for night time, cooler evenings or that AC room. Here is a pediatric pearl. If you're comfortable in a cotton t-shirt, your baby is comfy in a cotton jabala or a sleeveless onesie. Always check the chest and their back for warmth, not just the hands and feet. And remember, a sweaty neck shows an overdressed baby. Now some examples of summer outfits for hot and humid indoors. Use cotton jabalas plus diaper. At night when the AC is on or not and it's cold, use a short sleeve onesie plus a light muslin swaddle. When outdoors with shade, cotton onesie plus jabala plus a summer hat or some shade. Now let's discuss winter dressing. Winter dressing is all about layering your baby like a cake. Start with a cotton vest or onesie, add a soft sweater or sleep suit. Use wool or fleece only as outermost layer. never on bare skin. Don't forget a cap, mittens and socks. Head and feet lose most heat. Remember that. Swaddles use fleece or quilted for extra warmth. Room temperature should be cozy 22 to 24 degrees centigrade and warm your baby before feeding. Cold babies suck poorly. Monitor their chest or back warmth. Skin to skin still works in winter with a blanket over both of you. Moisturize your baby's skin. Winter dryness loves your babies too much and will take away all that good moisture. Don't overdress. Sweating in winter means too many layers. Don't cover their face or nose with blanket. There's always that suffocation risk. Don't use hot water bottles or heating pads. Don't bundle tight. Babies need to wiggle. These are the layers for winter. A base layer should always be a cotton onesie, which is breathable, covers the tummy and back. Use inner thermals only in very cold regions where it's less than 15 to 16 degrees centigrade indoors, and a thin cotton based onesie always. The middle layer should be a sleep suit or sweater plus pants. One onesie, then sleep suit and a cardigan. Oh, that's perfect. Finally, the outer layer. You could use a sweater or jacket or sleep sack or a fleece blanket. Wool is always on the top, never on the skin directly. But make sure your child is not sweating. For the extras, you can use caps, mittens, socks, swaddle in fleece or quilted blankets, but not too tight. Remember, avoid thick thermals plus sleep suit plus sweater indoors. It leads to overheating. Babies aren't woolen samosas. Some words of wisdom. If you're comfy in a sweater, your baby needs a cotton onesie plus sleep suit plus light sweater. Always do a chest and back check. Never just the hands and feet. Examples of winter outfit: mild indoors 20 to 22 degrees centigrade, and onesie, sleep suit, socks and cap. Very cold outdoors, less than 15 degrees centigrade, onesie, thermal, sleep suit, wool or sweater jacket, plus cap, mittens, socks, plus a warm blanket. So, the next time you panic about whether to put that extra sweater or not, remember this: if you are comfortable, your baby needs one more layer. If your baby looks like a Michelin man or a woolen samosa, you've gone too far. Check the chest, back, skip the guesswork and enjoy those snuggles, because honestly, babies don't care about fashion. They just want to be comfy, cozy and cuddle ready. Hope I helped you solving all that family confusion and drama. Keep following for the next newborn course video.